Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how I should something that we can start right here to export vector. So what we're gonna do is about understand some kind of situations that is ready to be satisfied with the video that we can start right here to start to export vector. Select the vectors that you want. So what kind of vector we see is really about a rectangle, a square, sorry, and circle, and then you're gonna start to go for the next target, which is ready to be satisfied with Control A. Sorry, we double click here, Control A, then started to create a component. Now we can start to go for certain thing, which really about adding vector. We can start to give it a vector looks. So we can start right now to start to add this one, and then as you can see, AB for example, AB vector. We go for it. Click on this vector wall vector right here, which is the logo, and then start to go over here on the export and export the logo or the vector. Ignore the component that we have made because it was really wrong.